If you're seeing an acceleration and top speed reduced warning in your Tesla, your car is actively protecting its components by limiting performance. Here's what this warning actually looks like on your Tesla's dashboard. The system clearly communicates when performance limitations are active to keep you informed. The most common cause is thermal management issues. When your battery, motor, or power electronics get too hot, Tesla's sophisticated cooling system works to protect these expensive components. Battery-related factors are another major cause. Low state of charge, battery degradation, or extreme cold weather can all trigger protective measures to preserve battery health. System protection mechanisms can also trigger warnings. These include voltage irregularities, charging system issues, or temporary software glitches that require a simple reboot to resolve. This warning affects approximately 15 to 20% of Tesla owners annually. The rates are significantly higher during summer months and in high-performance models like the Model S Plaid and Model 3 Performance. Modern Teslas have significantly improved protection systems. Instead of sudden power cuts, newer vehicles use gradual power reduction steps and AI-driven systems that can predict and prevent thermal issues before they occur. When your Tesla shows the acceleration and top speed reduced warning, there are immediate steps you can take to resolve the issue and prevent it from happening again. First, try these immediate troubleshooting steps. The most effective solution is a complete vehicle reboot. Hold both steering wheel scroll buttons simultaneously for at least 10 seconds. This forces a complete system reboot and resolves about 35% of performance reduction warnings immediately. Next, address thermal management issues. Park in shade and use climate control to cool both the cabin and battery system. Reduce power demand by avoiding aggressive acceleration and switching to chill mode, which limits acceleration and reduces strain on the system. Now let's look at prevention strategies to avoid these warnings in the future. Smart charging habits are crucial for preventing performance reduction warnings. Avoid charging to 100% daily unless needed for long trips. Schedule charging during cooler nighttime hours and use the Tesla app to precondition your vehicle before driving in hot weather. Keep your software updated for the latest thermal management improvements and consider annual coolant system inspections for high-mileage vehicles. If these solutions don't resolve the warning, or if it occurs frequently, this may indicate hardware issues requiring professional service. Remember, most performance reduction warnings are preventable through proper thermal management, smart charging habits, and regular software updates. When in doubt, consult Tesla service for professional assistance.